guys, get out of the way. What do you got, Gabby? Gabby, what do you got? What do you got?
What's that?
Mom, can I do it? Can I do it? Let's see what it is now. Oh! Another one! You got a big one.
Alright, let me pull it out, guys.
One, two. Whoa! It's a big kind.
Oh, wow.
Yay! Move out of the way.
Look out, guys, I can't see it. Oh my goodness.
Gabby is so lucky. Mommy, when can we open those presents?
Tomorrow.
Oh, in the morning? Tomorrow morning? What? We'll see. I really want to open them.
Where'd Gabby
Mom,
go?
now open your presents.
Alright. Oh!
Oh, wait.
Alright, look. Gabby.
Gabby?
Oh, boy.
Ooh, zebra. Frog.
Cameron, move out of the way, please.
What is this? What is it? Blog. I'm a blog. 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 That's in the couch.
He's fine.
Iron Man.
Gabby, stand up.